Yo, what's up, guys, and wake and bake? Good morning. I got some Brainstorm Haze Sativa, THC Cannabis, marijuana. That's some good smell right there. Brainstorm Haze. So we're gonna smoke that, and we're gonna smoke the other half later, and then we're gonna put it in the grinder. Good morning, guys. Be right back. Alright, guys, here it is. Brainstorm Haze Sativa, THC Cannabis, marijuana. Good morning, wake and bake. Woo-wee. Oh, yeah. Hell yeah. That's good. Oh. Yeah. For sure. Good shit to wake and bake on, for sure. Brainstorm Haze, man. This is damnly, deeply fucking gas fire. Put it down for a minute. Let me take a drink of this Pepsi, Slutty. Oh yeah, we're gonna smoke, guys, and we can do like you. Can do like you. Okay. Come on. Let's go. Damn. Yeah. Well, it's cashed out. Cashed it out. Woo! That was Brainstorm Haze Sativa, THC, Cannabis, marijuana. Have some the other half later, and we'll see you then. Hell yeah. Subscribe for more smoke videos creeping up on your YouTube screen.